Hello students, welcome to Crack Redby online learning platform. As you know that we have started the 10 MCQs series for NABARD Grade A Phase 2 exam, and it is 6 lecture in this series, and we are covering the most important questions based on the current affairs related to NABARD Grade A Phase 2 exam. So first question is under PMJDY percentage account holders are from rural areas. In the last video we have discussed about the percentage women account holder or female account holder, that was 22 crore approximate for 55%. So under PMJD Pradhan Mantri Jan Dhan Yojana percentage account holders are from rural areas 22.5%, 36.5%, 48.7%, 63.6%. You can try the answer at your end. The right answer is 63.6%. In rural areas are the account holders from rural areas in Jan Dhan Yojana, Pradhan Mantri Jan Dhan Yojana. As on date, under Swachh Bharat Mission, number of ODF open defecation free districts are 585, 636, 706, 782. 706 is the right answer. This is very important questions. I think in 2000 last year in phase 2 question was asked. 4324 urban local bodies declared ODF so far. 131 seat is ODF plus. 489 are ODF plus plus. These are the different category for open defecation free. ODF plus and ODF plus plus are also there. So only 1319 cities ODF plus so far, and 489 cities certified ODF plus plus. And recently that garbage free city 7-star, 5-star, 3-star, 1-star ranking was also released. You may be aware that no city in India, none of the city in India was ranked as 7-star. Only 6 cities were given 5-star. 3-star cities were 86 and 1-star on 64. Many cities applied for this, but only these cities, cities were ranked as 5-star cities, and 3-4-star cities 86 cities, and 64 cities 1-star city. And these were given based on the 25 parameters. This garbage free city ranking: 5-star, 3-star, 7-star, 1-star. Third question, very important question. Percentage share of women in total wage employment generated under MG NREGA during 2019-20. 38%, 47%, 55%, 62%. Its right answer is 55%. 55% share of women in total wage employment generated under MG NREGA. Please write feedback about the questions, level of the questions, so that in upcoming videos we can improve, or we can add some other questions also. If you want some, you can suggest, you can write feedback. 67% work focused on agriculture and allied activities MG NREGA. 99% wages paid through the NEFMS National Electronic Fund Management System. 3.97 crore assets geotag in MG NREGA. In 2019-20 we are discussing. Next question, very important question. Foreign direct investment FDI in India grew by 13% to a record of in 2019-20 financial year. 30.539 billion, 44.36 billion, 49.97 billion, and 52.65 billion. What is the right answer? You can try at your end also. It is 49.97 billion. So 49.97 is the right answer. Last year it was 44.376 billion. Next is the highest share of the foreign direct investment in India in 2019-20 financial year. From which country? Mauritius, Singapore, USA, Japan. So Singapore is the right answer. In the last 2 years, so since 2000, I think in last year also the Singapore was the highest FDI contributor in India, and previously Mauritius was there in top at rank 1 in the FDI list, but since last year, Singapore is the top per in FDI contribution. But in overall, if we talk about the total FDI till date from 2000 in last 20 years, so Mauritius is at the top. But in last year, only last year, if we compare to last year, the Singapore is the topper in FDI contribution to India. Which of the following sector has the highest share of foreign direct investment in India in the year 2019-20 financial? You can easily guess the answer. Service sector is the highest FDI recipient sector. Second highest is computer software and hardware. So this is only important. Service sector is the highest share of received the highest share of the FDI. Maharashtra is the largest FDI recipient in India. FDI up to what percent under automatic route shall be permitted for companies seeking new industrial licenses in defense sector? Recently, you may be aware about that some changes were made in the FDI related to defense sector. So FDI up to 74% was allowed under automatic route for the companies seeking new industrial licenses in the defense sector. FDI up to 74% under automatic route shall be permitted for the companies seeking new industrial licenses and up to 49% in a company not seeking industrial licenses. Civil aviation sector also there was some changes previously that 100% FDI under automatic route is approved, but in a case of Air India only foreigners share can be only 49% and 100% for NRI under automatic route. In Air India, the NRI share can be 100%. Insurance sector in insurance sector 49% under automatic route, but in insurance intermediaries brokers 100% FDI under automatic route. These are the important points as these changes were recently made. Next question, amended policy of public procurement now mandates 25% annual procurement from MSE, micro and small enterprises by central ministries, departments, public sector enterprises, CPSC, which include 4% from MSE, micro and small enterprises owned by SCST, and what percentage from MSE owned by the women entrepreneurs? So it is an important question. Can be asked in the exam. So 3%, 5% right, 8%, 10%. What is the right answer? It is 3% mandatory from the women entrepreneurs. For effective implementation and monitoring of the policy, the ministry has launched the public procurement portal that is called MSC Samant on 8 December 2017. A job portal called MSME Sampark has been launched by the President of India in 2018. This portal is a digital platform wherein job seeker and recruiters can register themselves for mutually beneficial interaction. As per NSS, National Sample Survey Office, 73rd round survey 2015-16 on micro, small and medium enterprises. Percentage of manufacturing sector MSME in total MSME. What is the percentage share of in total MSME of the manufacturing sector MSMEs? It is 18, 24, 31%, 42%. So it is 31%. 31% MSME are from manufacturing sector into the MSME as per NSS 73rd round survey 2015-16. Total MSMEs is 633.88 lakhs, out of which manufacturing sector from manufacturing sector 31%, trade 33%, other services 36%, 51% in MSME in rural area, 49% in urban area, female owned 20% approximate and 80% approximate male owned, and SC/ST owned 12% and 4%. As per the National Sample Survey 73rd round conducted during the period 2015-16, MSE sector has been creating 11 crore jobs, 76% male and 24% female, and highest in trade sector 3.8 crore, manufacturing 3.6 crore. Uttar Pradesh has the highest number of MSME. These are the highlights of the NSS 23rd round survey 2015-16. Self-help group. Next question is self-help groups across the country being geared up to prepare the VPRP for integration with the Gram Panchayat Development Plans. VPRP stands for Village Poverty Reduction Plan, Village Pollution Reduction Plan, Village Poverty Reduction Process, Village Poor Reduction Process. What is the full form of this? This was recently in news. So Village Poverty Reduction Plan is the right answer. What are the components of VPRP? Social inclusion, anti-entitlement, livelihoods, public goods and services, resource development, social development, DNRM designated, design an online training program to train all the state mission across the country on VPRP in partnership with Kudumbashree National Resource Organization, National Institute of Rural Development and Panchayati Raj, Hyderabad and Ministry of Panchayati Raj. So these are the 10 questions, very important questions, and these were our star performer in previous exams, and you can be the next star performer. So subscribe our courses, very specific courses, and the content we are providing very specific, and also our courses are most economical, and we are providing the material according to the exam pattern. After the analysis of exam pattern, we have prepared the content, and you may see our previous history that 70 to 80% questions directly got from our study material, and our study material is very concise and very specific to the point. These are our courses. You can subscribe the courses at our website crackradby.com. This from this year we have launched the RBI Grade video course as well. We are providing the video course plus may non-video course in a single payment. We are not charging different payment for both courses. So this is most economical courses, rupees 2499 we are charging for the RBI Grade B. Phase 2 ESI FM complete video plus non-video course. Thank you and happy learning.